Did you know that after age 60, most people lose up to 3 to 5% of their muscle strength every decade? And it's not just your legs. Your arms and shoulders fade fast too. That's why seniors struggle with simple things like opening jars, lifting groceries, or even hugging their grandkids. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. And today, we're revealing 5 simple, science-backed exercises that help restore your upper body strength. No gym, no excuses. Let's dive in. Number 5. Overhead arm raises. This exercise might look basic, but for adults over 60, they're like hitting the refresh button on shoulders that have been idle for years. This movement specifically targets the shoulders and upper back, which are areas that naturally weaken with age due to reduced activity and everyday wear and tear. What makes this exercise so useful is that it restores controlled movement to joints that often go stiff with time. It also reactivates muscles that have been on an extended vacation. Here's why that matters. Stronger shoulders mean better reach, improved posture, and less struggle with everyday tasks, like stretching, carrying groceries, or giving your grandkids a proper hug. Many seniors deal with poor posture and limited mobility, often caused by tight chest muscles and underused upper back muscles. However, overhead arm raises help reverse that. No equipment, no gym membership, just real results. And here's something worth noting. According to research, this simple movement strengthens both your shoulders and arms, making everyday tasks like lifting, reaching, and carrying much easier. If you're just starting out, begin with 8 to 10 repetitions in a seated position without any weights. It's a safe and effective way to ease into the exercise. As your strength improves, you can gradually work up to 12 to 15 reps using light dumbbells. To perform the exercise safely at home, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, engage your core, and slowly raise your arms overhead as you exhale. Lower them back down as you inhale. Avoid rushing through the movement or arching your back. Both can reduce the benefits and cause discomfort. Keep it slow, steady, and controlled. Let me tell you a quick story about Smith, a 69-year-old retired teacher from Nevada. He couldn't lift his arm past shoulder height without discomfort. But after just 3 weeks of doing overhead arm raises every day, the pain eased up, and he was finally able to carry his garden tools without strain. Not bad for someone who nearly asked his neighbor to water his plants just to avoid lifting the hose. Now that your shoulders are activated, let's move on to an exercise that builds strength and stamina, without ever touching the floor. Number 4. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are a great way for people over 60 to build upper body strength, without feeling like they're doing hard exercise. This easy and gentle move works the chest, shoulders, and arms, helping you move better and get stronger. Unlike regular push-ups on the floor, wall push-ups are easier to do because you have more balance and support. This makes them a good choice for anyone with weak muscles or stiff shoulders, which happens a lot as we get older. Wall push-ups help wake up important muscles in your chest, shoulders, and arms. The best part is that this exercise makes pushing actions easier, like standing tall with good posture, opening doors, or carrying things around. In fact, research shows that push-ups, even easier versions like wall push-ups, help build muscle endurance and keep your shoulders steady. Wall push-ups also improve blood flow, which keeps muscles healthy and helps prevent stiffness. If you're just starting out, try 8 to 10 slow and steady reps. More experienced seniors can go for 12 to 15 reps and make it harder by standing farther from the wall to add resistance. If you want it easier, just lean less against the wall. For a bigger challenge, place your hands lower on the wall to work your muscles harder. To do this exercise safely at home, seniors should stand facing a sturdy wall with their hands placed at shoulder height. Slowly lower the chest toward the wall while breathing out. Then push back to the starting position while breathing in. Moving slowly and steadily helps control the exercise and avoids putting too much strain on the body. Common mistakes to watch out for are arching the back too much, rushing through the movement, and holding your breath. When done regularly, wall push-ups can improve posture, build upper body strength, and make everyday movements easier. Up next is another simple but powerful move that will take your upper body strength and endurance to the next level. Number 3. Chair dips. Chair dips are a great way to build arm strength. No gym membership or creative use of pantry items required. This simple exercise works the triceps, helping you straighten your arms more easily and keep your shoulders steady. That's super important for everyday tasks like pushing yourself up from a chair or reaching for something overhead. Chair dips also work the muscles in your chest and the front of your shoulders. The result? A stronger upper body and better posture, all from the comfort of your home. Research further highlights tricep dips as one of the most effective exercises for working the triceps and chest, backed by electromyography or EMG studies. These studies show that dips trigger strong muscle activation, beating out many other upper body moves, like that one kid in gym class who always did extra laps. For beginners, it's best to start with one set of 8 to 10 reps, then gradually work up to 2 or 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps as you get stronger. More advanced individuals can do extra sets or make the exercise harder by changing foot placement or adding light resistance. To do this exercise, start by sitting on a sturdy chair. Place your hands on the edge with your fingers pointing forward. Slide your hips off the chair, keeping your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Then dip down slowly and press back up with control. No rushing, no wobbling. Lower your body by bending your elbows to about a 90-degree angle. Then press through your hands to straighten your arms and lift yourself back up. Keep the movement slow and controlled, focusing on good form the entire time. Watch out for common mistakes like shrugging your shoulders, which can strain your neck, or dipping too low, which may put too much pressure on your shoulders. Staying aligned and moving with control helps you get the most out of the exercise while avoiding injury. With regular practice, chair dips can boost upper body strength, improve posture, and make everyday tasks feel easier. Now, if you're looking to build stronger forearms and a grip that actually holds up, you're going to love what's next. But before we continue, if you're finding these exercises helpful and want to keep building strength and mobility right at home, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got more simple, effective routines coming your way. Number 2. Resistance band rows. This is another simple but powerful exercise that helps build back strength, improve posture, and make your grip stronger. You can do them while sitting or standing, so they're easy to fit into your routine no matter your movement level. As we get older, it's normal for our back and hand muscles to get weaker, and our posture can suffer. But don't worry, this exercise won't have you wrestling anything wild. Resistance band rows work the big muscles in your back, shoulder blades, and forearms. This helps you get stronger and makes daily tasks, like opening doors or carrying bags, feel easier. One of the best parts is that this move helps you stand up straighter and feel stronger, like you're ready to make a big announcement. According to research, using resistance bands can build strength just as well as lifting weights. Plus, they offer some great perks, like helping with blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and even boosting brain health. The pulling motion in resistance band rows works your upper back and grip, which helps take pressure off your shoulders and gives you more control when lifting or carrying things. If you're just starting out, try 8 to 10 slow, steady reps. As you get stronger, aim for 12 to 15 reps and switch to a tighter band for more resistance. If you need a gentler option, seated rows offer extra support. Want a challenge? Use a tighter band or pull back farther to work your muscles more. To do this exercise safely at home, sit or stand up straight. Hold the resistance band with both hands and slowly pull it toward your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. As you return to the starting position, breathe in to keep the movement steady and smooth. Watch out for common mistakes, like rounding your back, using too much resistance, rushing through the movement, or failing to anchor the band properly under your feet. Nobody wants it snapping back at their face. When done regularly, this exercise can help improve your posture, strengthen your back, and boost your grip. Now, The next exercise not only powers up your arms, but also strengthens your shoulders in the process. Number 1. Modified bicep curls. As we get older, keeping our upper body strong and flexible becomes more important. And one simple and effective way to achieve this is with modified bicep curls. This exercise works the front part of your arm, mainly the biceps, by bending your elbow. It strengthens key muscles that help you lift and carry things. Every time you curl your arm, these muscles get a little stronger, making everyday tasks like picking things up or opening jars easier and less tiring. According to the arthritis movement, this exercise can help seniors handle daily tasks, like carrying grocery bags or lifting grandkids, with much more ease. And let's be honest, grandkids don't exactly come in a lightweight version. To get the most out of modified bicep curls, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps using light weights or resistance bands. If you're just starting out, begin with 2 sets of 5 to 8 reps using very light resistance. For those who are more advanced, go for 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, increasing resistance as your strength improves. Here's how to do it. Sit or stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold light weights or a resistance band in each hand with your palms facing forward. Slowly curl your hands toward your shoulders, then lower them back down to the starting position with control. Seniors should watch out for common mistakes, like swinging the arms or using momentum to lift the weights. The goal is to move slowly and with control, really focusing on working the bicep muscles. This helps build strength safely and effectively. With consistent practice, you'll notice stronger arms, better movement, and a boost in everyday confidence. You might even surprise yourself. Maybe give the grandkids a piggyback ride without booking a chiropractor the next day. Let me tell you about Evelyn, a 66-year-old from Wyoming. She used to struggle with upper body strength and had trouble carrying her golf clubs. But after adding modified bicep curls to her routine, her strength and mobility improved so much that she's now back on the golf course, swinging without strain. And there you have it, friends. 5 simple but powerful exercises to help rebuild your upper body strength, all from the comfort of your own home, no gym required. And the best part is that these moves don't just build muscles, they boost your confidence, independence, and overall energy as you age. Just remember, consistency is everything. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference in your posture, balance, and how well your upper body works. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button. You're already on your way to becoming a stronger, healthier you. What exercises or health topics would you like to see next? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to join our growing community of strong, smart, and thriving seniors. See you in the next video.